This is why you need trenchless pipelining. Minimum to no digging, no mess, just pure convenience. Trenchless pipelining is your new best friend for solving sewer problems. Instead of digging up your entire yard, a special liner is sent through the existing pipe. It forms a new pipe inside the old one. Easy peasy. Your yard stays beautiful, no breaking your concrete driveway, and your pipes get a fresh start. Say goodbye to the mess and hello to trenchless pipelining. This innovative method not only saves time but also reduces costs significantly. With trenchless pipelining, you get a durable, long-lasting solution without the hassle. Embrace the future of plumbing with trenchless pipelining today. Traditional methods involve extensive digging, which can be costly and disruptive. Trenchless pipelining, on the other hand, minimizes disruption and saves you money. Plus, it's environmentally friendly, reducing the carbon footprint and preserving your landscape. Choose trenchless pipelining for a smarter, greener, and more cost-effective plumbing solution. Call John's Rooter at 530-433-5773 and get a free estimate.